welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Yanni, and today we're gonna do get ready with me, maybe. Probably gonna go into a voiceover because I'm listening to Bailey Sarian on her latest video. So yeah, if you guys want to just get ready, I'm doing a very simple look because I actually have a couple of videos that I want to film after this, which are like haul videos and unboxings for my Ipsy bags for May and June. Then, you know, whatever. So grab a snack, grab a bottle of water because you know we're still trying to get healthy up in this joint, and keep on watching. I just moisturized my face with the hydrating serum from e.l.f. and I'm going to go ahead and go in with the Holy Hydration face cream, and then I'm going to do my brows. So we'll be right back. So we're going to go in with a look that Bailey is doing. She looks so glowy and pretty, and it's like a deep dark lip and just like a glossiness on the eyes. I'm going to do something really like relaxed. So yeah. Now, let's go ahead and start. I am going to go in with my primer. For my primer, my brows took extra long. I don't know why. It's been a while since I've done makeup. I haven't done makeup since I was on vacation. It's been a few days. I've just kind of been back and unpacking and like still unpacking my home and cleaning and so yeah. So we're gonna use the Milani Skin Quench Hydrating Primer. This is the one that has the hyaluronic acid and coconut water. And she is very much a full coverage girl. So I'm gonna try to do a full coverage base. She's so beautiful. So I'm gonna use my Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation, and this is in the color Soft Beige. Okay, and I put it on the back of my hand. I haven't felt motivated to do makeup for a little bit just because I've been unpacking my home still from the move. We've been here for a month already, a month and a week, and we still have quite a lot of unpacking. You know, it's a big family that I have, and we're downsizing on a bunch of stuff that we were supposed to downsize like a couple years ago. So now we are actually doing it because I'm done with all this packing and unpacking and all this craziness. So it's just way too much stuff. This is much lighter than what I am right now. It's okay. We'll work with it. So I'm going to go ahead and get a bronzer and bronze this up. Bailey is definitely a concealer girl. She likes to use a lot of concealer. Oh, don't do it because it's going to be overly. I do like the skeleton kind of contour because it just defines my round face a little bit more. Let's go ahead and do that for the moment. Warm everything out. for this look, she really did brighten up her under eyes and stuff, so we're gonna do that as well. I mean, I'm pretty bright right here, but we're gonna brighten this up a little bit more. All right, let's go ahead. This kind of brush it up. Blend, 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 blend. I've got brushes that I need to wash too. I've been lazy. You always want to go up with your contour, never down. I want to clean up these brows. They look a little messy because I didn't clean them up. I was going kind of fast, and I'm so used to that look now. So just using my e.l.f. brightening pen. I feel like these don't look like my brows. A lot of people use pot concealers because they're a little bit thicker in consistency, but I find that this is just fine for me. And then whatever excess, I'm just gonna put right there, just to brighten it a little bit more. I'm just gonna use my concealer brush, just blend all this out. I haven't done my brows like this in a very long time. I've been doing the fluffy brow look. So now she's got like major blush, like a blush action happening. I'm gonna use my Rare Beauty Love blush. This is very pigmented. We're just gonna do that. And like that. Okay, not bad. I'm gonna soften it just a little bit with a sponge. Just go over it. There you go, just a tiny bit. Kind of have it blend a little better. Okay, I think that looks nice. Okay, I dig it, I dig it. All right, now we're gonna go in with powder. I'm gonna use my Haley's Beauty powder because that's the one that I have right here next to me. Just gonna go in with that. Okay, so I don't know what she uses, but I am gonna attempt to use this palette because I haven't played around with it too much. So we're gonna use that and see where she goes from there. I know it's like a glossy eye, so let's see. Okay, so she used a couple products that I don't have, so I'm actually gonna go. We're just gonna have to roll with this. She used the Scott Barnes stuff, and then she used Champagne on Ice, and see if that works. Nude eyeshadow, but I'm gonna try a little bit deeper, and it's the color Rooftop View. If you have this palette, it's a tiny bit deeper. Just to put like some kind of a color, transition color. This wet kind of consistency thing. So I'm gonna use this flat brush with Champagne on Ice and take that. She just put that like all over, up high. My nails are super long, so I have to like use. I'm gonna wet my brush. Like I'm gonna use my Color Pop Fresh AF. Sorry that the lighting is like sucky, but let's see if I could make this a little bit more glossy. Okay, perfect. Now it's giving me a little bit more of that sheen. There we go. Okay. Now I'm gonna go back in with that fluffy brush with Rooftop View and just kind of smooth everything out very lightly. Any harshness. Okay, I'm back. Lashes are on. So that took me like a minute. Very nice. Okay. I'm gonna go off camera. By Kiss, the I Envy lashes, and then for mascara I use this L'Oreal Air Volume Mega Mascara, which I don't really care for this one. I actually like the L'Oreal Sky High one, but yeah. So let me go ahead and grab my bronzer. The Maybelline Sky High I like better than the L'Oreal Air Volume. I always get them messed up, but I'm gonna use an oldie but goodie. I'm gonna use the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and like I said, I got a bunch of brushes that I need to wash. It smells so yummy. Now for blush, I'm going to use the December to Remember, which was a limited edition by Essence. This is one of my favorite blushes. I like this for when I have deeper toned blushes on, which we do today. And for highlights, we're gonna do the same highlights here. Like she does. This is the highlight from Essence. I'm gonna spray my face really quick. She put blush on before I'm using my Fresh AF spray. This is such a nice, look at that. Oh, so pretty. It's like that pure. Now we're gonna do our lips. Highlighter. For lips, I'm gonna use this new NYX Lingerie more. XXL. This one is in Extended. So that one, and then for lip liner, I'm gonna use this Exotic Berry lip liner from Victoria's Secret 1,000,001 years ago because I don't have a deep berry color, so we're just gonna have to work with what we got. Lips lined. Now we're gonna go in with these. Let's see. Yes. Oh my gosh. Can you say I'm in love? This is how I used to do my makeup all the time. Actually, remove everything except I used to do mascara. Never did my brows ever. Just mascara and a dark lip. And that was it. This lip is a vibe. These are super, super comfortable. Like, if you have not tried these out, you definitely should. I have 4 of them and I am obsessed. They're super comfortable on the lip and you can let them dry down and they're transfer proof. So we're gonna let that dry down and I will be right back. Alright, so here's the makeup look. This is how it goes. Looks pretty. She has a gloss on, so I'm actually gonna throw on a gloss that's close to the color. This is a gloss from like last 2 summers ago, I want to say. So it's the Maybelline and Summer McKean. And go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Hit the notification bell down below so you can get notified every time I upload videos, which is 3 days a week, Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. Video. If you guys enjoyed watching this video, let's get ready. Yes, the sun is going down. I put on my ring light. I'm still playing with it. I don't know how I like the settings on it. It's a new ring light that my husband bought me from Ross. I don't know how I like it so far, but it is what it is. I'll work with it. But yes, thank you so much again, and I will see all you beauties in my next video. Bye.